This is Mr. Shirak on the Legislature Business TV, a place where we teach you ethical and information marketing business in the world. In this very video, we are going to be looking at how you can upgrade your VTUApp account to, of course, to start earning in minutes. Okay, so in last episode of this, we are able to look at how you can do basic tasks in VTUApp. Okay, one of the things that I pointed out in that video is that without you being an upgraded member, you cannot be able to do basic tasks. So we are going to be looking at how to make an upgrade right away, and of course how to fund your wallet and perform the upgrade. But if you look here, you can see that I have 5 clicks every day, which is I upgraded to the first package, which is 500. Right now we are going to be upgrading to a higher package so that we can be able to get more earnings as time goes on. So the first thing that you have to do is to first of all fund your wallet. Okay, you have to put in money into your wallet for you to be able to upgrade. So how do you fund your wallet? It's very simple. All you have to do is to go to the left hand side then you choose deposit. So when you choose deposit, you'll be able to see the deposit method, which is Nigerian Naira. Just click on deposit now. Enter the amount you want to deposit. For instance, I will enter something like 5,000. Then I'll click on submit. So you come over here. You can see the charges here is 15 naira per deposit. That's for bank transfer charges. So you click on confirm, and then of course you put in your bank you transfer your fund from, which is here, and then of course you put your payment proof and you click on pay now. But in the actual sense, you'll be able to see that you have no bank to pay from this space here. So how do we get the bank to pay? Just go to the dashboard section. Go to the dashboard section, and then when you go to the dashboard section, you'll be able to see the bank. So you will see the bank to pay. You can see the bank here. Bank to pay is right here, which is bank to pay for wallet funding. You can see it's Zenith Bank. Account name is In Network Business Solution. Account number is this, so which is 10148666918. So when you have paid, you can easily contact admin on WhatsApp. So you can easily contact admin on WhatsApp, and the WhatsApp line is there, which is 081 3636 7446. So you can contact admin for payment notification, and once your payment is being approved, your wallet will be credited right away here. You can see it. My current balance at the moment is 9,552.09. So if you click on view all, you can see the history of my transaction as it is stated, both your earning history when you make a deposit. It will be all stated here. So once you have funded your wallet, as I said, and the process we just highlighted, we are now going to do an upgrade. Remember, for you to get access to the V2U system, you must first of all fund your wallet and upgrade to any package. Okay, for now there is no particular package you have to upgrade to get access to the V2 package, V2 app. everything you can upgrade from first package to the last package. Okay, and then your upgrade is as determined by how much you'll be making on the system, both on the MLM, both on the daily tax. But everybody is entitled to have access to the VTUApp once upgraded. So once you have found your wallet, as I said, remember my tax here is 5. That's how many clicks I have to do today is 5. But let me click on the plan here. After the upgrade, you will see that the tax clicks in a day will increased, and everything is automatic. You don't need to contact admin or do anything. Once you have found your wallet, you can do everything on your own instantly. So here you have to choose the plan based on what the plan states. Okay, the first one there is the business volume, that's 500. Trial package there is the business volume is 15. So if you click on this, you see when someone, what is business volume? When someone from your below tree subscribe this plan, you get this business volume, which will be used for matching bonus. You see it when you have some people in the right hand side and left hand side of your tree. There's a stage it will reach, it will be used for calculating the matching bonus, which will be paid to you as an affiliate, as a networker, as a marketer. So referral commission, of course, that one is obvious. When you are referred user subscribe in any plan, you get this amount. Okay, this is the reasons you should choose a plan with bigger referral commission. Note that apart from the referral commissions that system gave to you, which is 10, what's called based on the package, we also give you 10% of whatever the persons pay. So that is a different money that we'll give to you when you refer someone. Okay, for instance, if you refer someone to buy the first package, you'll be given 100 naira by the system, and we also give you another 100 naira for that refer. That's 20% you are making in this package. The same thing is applicable to other packages. So 3 commissions is your downline. When someone from your below tree subscribe this plan, you get this amount as 3 commission. Okay, now daily ad view limit is 3. So you can see from this place, this is the place where you are talking about how many views of ad you are giving per day. So in this place, this particular first package is only 3, but if you look at this one here is 5. Do you get it now? Based on how many adverts there is in the system. And of course, the one that I am currently subscribed is the starter package, which of course you can see I have 5 hours every day. So the next one is the basic, which is 1.5. You can see how many hours that is given every day, which is 7. The medium package there is 22,500, and I have a daily ad limit of 10. And as you can see, even the referral systems are increasing. The 3 commissions are also increasing for each packages. So these are the variable things you have to consider before you perform your upgrade. Anything you upgrade, you are going to be getting value based on what is in the package, and the upgrade is just once. If you want to upgrade to another package, you have to pay for that particular package. That is why it's very good for you to choose a package that is good for you. Don't upgrade something that later on you want to now upgrade to another package that is higher. Okay, now let me put more emphasis on the daily ad limit. What they mean by daily ad limit is simple. Like this particular package, which is advanced, is 15 hours per day. What it means is that once you click up to 15 hours in a day, you cannot be able to click further ads, even if you are seeing those ads on their dashboard under your PTT section. So that's exactly what it means. So that's the reason why it's very important for you to be able to upgrade to a higher package that will give you a higher returns of your investment. So for now, I'm going to be upgrading the advanced package because my phone is not up to the executive package, which is will give you 20 hours every day. And of course, your referral commissions is 350. Remember, extra 10% are given to you from referral when you refer someone, apart from the one the system gives to you as a member. So, how do you upgrade? It's very simple. All you have to do is to click on subscribe. Then it will tell you that confirm purchase advance. Okay, this time they're asking you for you to confirm the purchase of advanced package. It says 500 naira will subscribe from your balance. All you have to say is subscribe. Just click on subscribe. Yeah, the system says purchase advanced successfully. So advanced package has been purchased, and you can see my daily ad limit is now 15. Okay, so I'm giving 15 hours to click for the day. And if you look here, you see my balance is now 4,452.03. So I I have I am now ready to do my tax and do other things. But I want us to show you something on referral system. If you look, you see your referral matrix. You can see total referral is 8 for the meantime. Total left is 1, total right is what? 6. So if I click on this, I can view people on the left, I can view people on the right. So it's just very simple. It's something you can navigate. You can see my tree commission, my tree referral tree. Okay, is a binary system. As of course the previous video we have said it in the previous video, is a binary system. So you can click individual uh, uh, network to see what is inside it. Okay, so you can also check my referrals. Just click on my referral at the left hand side. In the menu's left hand side, you can see all your referrals, and on this place you can also copy the joining URL so that users can click directly to get registered on the system. Okay, so when all these people that has registered make an upgrade, you'll be making some money, just like as I'm making money. So I'm going to be copying my referral URL to share. So I'm going to copy my right hand side referral URL. I'll just click on copy. Then of course use the link on the video to sign up and get started. Remember, there is a number on 24 hours which you can chat up on WhatsApp. And of course let's get you started. Of course, this is a new and legit platform. VTUApp has been there for like years, so it's like a new opportunity for you to be making money every day. So, and in the area of advert system, the advert system may increase in terms of ad rate. So rest be assured that you'll be making so much passive income for in this platform. So guys, that is it on this video, and of course I believe you get value on this video. If you get value on this video, please like and share this video and subscribe. Okay, and then once I see up to 50 likes or 100 likes on this video, we are going to be making an interesting video on how you can actually make a lot of money on VTUApp. So like this video, subscribe, share it, and then get started right away. Register with the referral link that will be shared on the description of this video so that you can get started right away. I remain your host, Mr. Shirak. See you at the top. I don't want to see you at the bottom because I don't like being at the bottom. Thanks and God bless.